Hello, we are Genius Mind. Myself Faisal Ahmed Kaladgi. He is.
मोहम्मद अलीम ज़काती,
He is.
उमर फारूक शेख.
We are made today river overflowing in villages. I will show you how will model work.
Now my team members are going to show how this model works. Assume this as a seashore, and when the water level comes beyond the limits, then the buzzer starts ringing. Nice. When this buzzer starts ringing, people get a chance to save their lives. And when the buzzer starts ringing, we can send a message to our rescue team to save people. And we can also plant this near seashore, rivers to save people's life. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you, Airtel, for giving us this great opportunity.
Good afternoon everybody, myself Chandrasekhar Kaudimatti. This is our team IOSC Genius and our team members Iqbal and Ashin.
देखिए हमने अब यहाँ ड्रेनेज का प्रोटोटाइप बनाया है जो हमने लगाया है अल्ट्रासोनिक सेंसर। जब वाटर ओवरफ्लो होएगा, जब बजर बजेगा, अलर्ट हो जाएगा तो सीएमसी को मतलब म्यूनसिपालिटी कॉरपोरेशन को उनको अलर्ट हो जाएगा कि अब टैंक भरा हुआ है, वो आके कर देंगे। और इसके एडवांटेजेस इकबाल अहमद बताएगा।
तो इसके बड़े एडवांटेजेस है क्योंकि जब ये भरेगा तो ये बहुत ज़्यादा स्मेल पैदा करेगा, जिससे शायद बीमारी हो सकती है, टाइफाइड, कोलेरा, डेंगू जैसी। फिर इससे फ्लड का भी चांसेस कम हो सकता है। अगर एम्प्टी हो तो ये सारा रेन वाटर अपने अंदर अब्जॉर्ब कर लेगा और शायद फ्लड की चांसेस भी कम कर देगा। और हम शुक्रिया करना चाहेंगे एयरटेल मैराथन को, हमें कंपोनेंट्स सब प्रोवाइड किए हैं और हमें बहुत अच्छा एक्सपीरियंस पाया है इससे। थैंक यू।
Good afternoon everybody. My name is Arshad Mullah.
And my name is Syed Zaid.
Our topic is about dust absorber. In our cities, the most common problem is about dust. People faces many problem about dust. They have to clean their houses again and again. Some people have dust allergies, sneezing, and the most problem is about the asthma persons. They have to face the most problem about from breathing.
So we have make a solution that we make a dust absorber vacuum car. It will absorb the dust and it will move on. So for the dust it will helpful. For poor people, they will have a remote and they will do the controlling and the dust will absorb.
So the features of the car are it is a vehicle and a vacuum car mix, vacuum and a car mix. So it is set with a connector, 2 tires and 2 DC motors. It is a remote control car. So there is a switch for a vacuum separately. When the first the switch should be on and then a remote it can be controlled and it will suck the dust come in its way. Thank you. And it is a good opportunity. For us that ATL allows for us for this good opportunity and learn some new more advanced things. Thank you. Here the machine works. As you can see out the dust, the thermocol pieces are getting absorbed. As you can see out the thermocol pieces are getting absorbed. So this is how the machine works. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. Myself Muhammad Atif Kola.
Myself Muhammad Rihan Godiyal. Myself Rachotesh Chimalli.
Our team name is Growing Mind. Our topic is about smoke absorber, a mechanical device which absorbs smoke from a closed atmosphere. Is a smoke absorber. Kitchen, factories, labs, etc. are some common areas where smoke absorber are being used. Some absorbers are being used to clear closed atmosphere from a smoke like bad odor, hot air as well as other harmful air.
For making smoke absorber, we used material like CPU, cooler, radiator, battery, wires, pipes, bottle, etc.
many bars, casinos where the smoking is allowed, we can use it in a large quantity there. We have to sure about the cleanness of smoke absorber every day.
Used CPU, cooler, radiator, fans, battery, like this.
This is how it is worked.
It is working.
It is a smoke sensor.
Sensor and weight.
When the smoke will come into this, the red light will glow and the buzzer will work.
Button on
When we on the buttons, the fans started.
inside and
The fans will start and the smoke will go inside.
And
You can see here.
bottle.
And we can store in this bottle and we can purify and use it as uses gases. Thank you ATL Marathon for giving this opportunity.